Welcome back to SRC.
Today we will be reading Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late by Mo Willems.
And we'll also be going on a nature walk and filling up this bracelet.
Today we're going to be reading a book called Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. Words and pictures by Mo Willems, and it is published by Hyperion Books for Children.
Oh good, it's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I am not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? No? I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on, what's 5 more minutes in the grand scheme of things? Yawn. What? I'm not tired. You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. Hey, ho, ho. This here pigeon just won't go. Please. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. My bunny wants to stay up too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Yawn. Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm yawn 110% awake. You haven't heard the yawn last of me. Zzz, zzz. Great work, thanks. Good night. All right, you guys, a big thanks to Mo Willems again for letting us read this book.
Before we go outside for our nature walk today, you're going to want to grab some duct tape. Grab a section long enough to fit around your wrist and tear it off. Then with the sticky side facing outward, you're going to want to put it around your wrist. This way, as we go on our nature walk, we can collect things to add to the bracelet and stick it on top. Now go for a walk outside and collect things to stick onto your bracelet, filling it up as you go.
Thanks for tuning in.